Are you tired of using the same keyboard and want to change in on your Xiaomi phone? Well, no worries. In this quick video, I'll show how you can switch between different existing keyboard options from the Settings app on your Mi phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Install a new keyboard first. Open the Google Play Store. Search for the desired keyboard. Example, Gboard, Swift Key, etc. Then, download the app and install the keyboard. Step 2. Enable the new keyboard. Go to your phone's Settings app, then tap on Additional Settings. After that, select Languages and Input. Next, tap on Current Keyboard. Finally, choose the new keyboard you installed. So that's how you can switch your default keyboard on your Xiaomi phone. If the video helped you out to choose keyboards on your smartphone, smash that like button, or if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for joining in. See you in the next one.